Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Tonight in my kitchen, I'm gonna do baked Italian chicken. I'm kind of making this up as I go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut some basil for my plants, and I'm gonna take that and some oregano that I also cut from the garden, and I'm gonna chop that up, incorporate that with some everyday all-purpose seasoning and some chicken breast, top it with mozzarella cheese, and that's what we're gonna have as an entree for supper tonight. Get started here. I have 5 chicken breasts, and I'm just gonna rough chop this basil. I love the way basil smells. I'm gonna serve this with pasta and some fresh zucchini out of the garden. It's that time of year around here. I've got my oven on 400. I'm going to tear this oregano off, and I think I'm just going to leave it whole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these chicken breasts lay those in a casserole dish. And I am going to drizzle mine with some olive oil. So they don't dry out in the oven. I'm going to season them with some everyday all-purpose seasoning, which has onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and parsley. I think that would give it a nice flavor. And on top of this, I'm gonna put the basil and the oregano. And then I'm gonna cut some mozzarella. Well, said it was. It has a little place right here, huh? At first you don't succeed. Read the directions, right? Low battery. Okay, so I'm gonna cut up this mozzarella. Oh, it's already cut, cool. I'm gonna put that over top of the chicken. I'm gonna bake this covered for about 35 minutes on 400. Then I'm gonna uncover it and let it brown a little bit on the top. I'm gonna put some pasta with it and some stir-fried zucchini. And that is gonna be our dinner tonight here on the farm. Italian chicken. I'll show you a picture of it when it comes out of the oven. Have a good one. See y'all.